Hello friends, how are you? This is Devyani Singh and today we are discuss point to point how to small kitchen easy organization. So let's start. First, make sure every appliance has a home. Keep everyday items easily assembled. Add open shelving and hooks to empty vertical space. Divide your drawers. Add a small kitchen island with ample storage. Create a small but might pantry. Use your storage wisely. Table of contents. Maximize your cabinet space with shelf risers. Divided kitchen tools. Use kitchen tools as decor. Group familiar items in the pantry.